How to create a Starbucks account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Starbucks on your device. Here, you'll find create an account option in the first page. Enter your first name, last name, and for the security, add your email address, and then create a new password. After you've added your email address and created a new password, click on I accept the terms of use. You can click on get emails from Starbucks as well. Click on create account at the bottom. After you press on create account at the bottom, your account will be created. And this is how to create a Starbucks account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.